Yes, that's right. It's your girl, Sweet Angel, back with another video for you. Are you looking to heal damaged, dry skin? Are you looking for a smooth appearance, getting rid of the fine lines and locking in moisture? Y'all, we're talking about an effective remedy against wrinkles. We are looking at something that's going to make them say, "Ah." Yes, we're going to leave your skin so soft and so supple. All it takes is these three ingredients. We're going to start off with Vaseline. Vaseline has been proven to heal damaged, dry skin and smooth the appearance of fine lines and lock in moisture. Vaseline moisturizes the skin and it will be very effective against wrinkles. It actually prevents wrinkles by making a film over the skin, trapping the moisture in and preventing any loss of it. That's how it keeps your skin hydrated and elastic. We're also going to be making use of matcha tea. Matcha contains polysaccharides, which help the skin to retain moisture and stay hydrated. Hydration is very important for skin renewal and repair. Polyphenols and polysaccharides found in matcha both have exceptional anti-inflammatory properties, which is going to help keep fine lines and wrinkles at bay. And the third ingredient is egg yolk. Yeah, we talk about egg whites a lot, but this one has egg yolk in it. Egg yolk is made up of mostly water and fats, which makes it a great water binding agent that locks moisture into your skin cells, leaving your face soft and supple. Egg yolk face masks work wonders for people with dry or flaky skin. The nutrients in egg yolks work to hydrate, nourish, and moisturize dull skin. Yes, you can use organic eggs as well. Listen, y'all, this is how the ingredients are. This again is not set in stone, so you can work this any way you choose. But I personally chose to put in 1 tablespoon of Vaseline, 1 tablespoon of matcha tea, and 1 egg yolk. All you have to do is blend all of these together. Just mix them well. And how to use it? Very simple. You can use this right before bedtime. Apply it to your face, neck, and your chest area. Work it in, smooth it in, let it absorb, and make sure you start out with clean skin. Of course, you know that. Leave on 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water and pat dry. You can use this at least 2 to 3 times a week. This is so creamy, y'all. It's so creamy. You spread it all over your face, neck, and chest, or all over your skin, all over your body, wherever you choose. I mean, if you have crisp skin on your arms, do that. And leave this on for 15 to 20 minutes. And I love to massage it into my skin, you know, helping with crow's feet, forehead wrinkles and fine lines, smile lines, neck wrinkles. So I'm gonna let this sit for 15 to 20 minutes and I'll be back after I've already rinsed it off and let you see my skin. It's not gonna dry down, of course. It's gonna stay this same consistency for the most part. And this is safe to do at least 2 to 3 times a week. And y'all, I just wanted to mention I did go ahead and rinse out my utensils, and honey, I put it all over my hands, and look how plump and wonderful my hands look. That's going to be amazing for your skin all over. I recommend it all over. Yes, go ahead and make them say, wow. That's what I'm talking about. Oh yeah.